I will give you an example of where I was the victim/culprit. I ran into this problem. I had what's called, or what I tell my students is a Jeffer Mangels moment. This was back when I was in law school, and a friend had told me to write to this law firm, Jeffer Mangels, to try and get a job. And this is before OCI was sort of outside. I was using a personal contact. And Mr. Smith, this is what I wrote in my cover letter. So I was a 2L at the University of Chicago. This is what I wrote.
Dear Miss Truss, as a rising 2L at the University of Chicago, I'm very interested in applying for a summer associate position at Sidley Austin.
Why is that a horrible thing to write in the first line to Jeffer Mangels?
They're probably going to throw it away after reading that.
Yeah, I could have the best resume in the entire world. The rest of that letter could be amazing. No one's going to read it. Right? You just can't trust someone who makes that kind of mistake. So I also give you this just to take some of the pressure. You're going to have typos. You're going to have errors. You probably won't ever have an error as bad as this one, so you can feel a little better about yourself. Or even worse error, there's something called the Wicked Bible. Some of you might know the story of this. So in the edition of the Wicked Bible in 1631, the 10 Commandments were written this way. Number 6 was, thou shalt not kill. Number 8 was, thou shalt not steal. Mr. Raymer, you want to read number 7 for us?
Thou shalt commit adultery.
Yeah, so they messed up. They didn't quite include an important word in that declaration, in that commandment. So a lot of people will make these kinds of mistakes. Try to reduce them by having someone else read your cover letter before you send it out. Someone else read your brief before you send it out. Somebody else read your Bible before you publish it.